Ready ka na ma-experience ang authentic Indian flavors na hindi mo na kailangan mag-book pa ng ticket papuntang India? Perfecto para sa mga gusto ng rich spices at authentic flavors. This is Mandala Biryani and Kebab Restaurant located sa ground floor ng Red Planet Hotel sa Ortigas. Warm, cozy, colorful, accommodating din yung mga staff nila kaya big points. Anyway, sa food na tayo, ito yung mga in-order namin. For appetizer, trio sampler with pita. And here's the 3 dipping sauce, baba ganoush. White garlicky eggplant dip blended with tahini and lemon juice. Ang sarap nito, promise. Mirza Gasimi, vegetarian dip peeled tomatoes, smoked eggplant and garlic, bagay na bagay sa pita bread. And last is itong hummus na may chickpeas, tahine, fresh garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice. Ito pa yung isa na best pair din with pita bread, buttered chicken masala, creamy with spiced tomato and buttery sauce. Actually, ang sarap din niya sa rice. Beef kebab, may natural beef flavor na rich, juicy at satisfying. Perfecto sa garlic sauce and sa kanin. Beef biryani with basmati rice, sakto lang yung timpla, hindi masyadong matapang. May chicken biryani with basmati rice din, lighter and slightly sweeter than the beef biryani. Sa drinks, we have mango lassi, healthy yogurt drink blended with full cream milk and real fruit, kaya napaka-refreshing. Also, etong iced tea nila na nasarapan ako. Meron din pala guys mga Filipino dishes and good for kids sa menu nila. Whether you're spice lover or first time explorer ng Indian food, Madala makes it easy to fall in love with every dish and I can say na value for money, kaya try nyo na din!